Is there a toreador in the corridor? Once again at Farnborough, the world-famous show by the Society of British Aircraft Constructors. Unfortunately, this year's wonderful summer weather broke on the opening day. Numbers of people, including visitors from overseas, were there just the same, to examine the great variety of aircraft on display. Fears that the weather might prevent flying were not confirmed. Spectators saw, for instance, the Bristol 173, as well as other helicopters. Now the Fairey Ultra Light for communications and observation. And the jet Gyrodyne. Compressed air is supplied through hollow rotor blades to pressure jets at the tips. The Prime Minister himself used a helicopter for his visit to Farnborough. It was the beginning of a month's tour of service establishments. Scottish Aviation showed the twin Pioneer, which can take off with a 100-yard run. It's a 14 to 16 seat transport with a maximum speed of 180. The Avro Vulcan, the world's first delta-wing 4-jet bomber, is in production for the RAF. It has flown near the speed of sound. The Fairey Delta II is a research aircraft with supersonic speed. Its elongated nose can be lowered in flight to give the pilot a good forward view for landing and taxiing or takeoff. Wearing sunglasses, Group Captain Peter Townsend, formerly a fighter pilot of distinction, came over from Brussels to see the show. Making its first appearance at a Farnborough show, the Handley Page Herald, a brand new medium-range transport to carry up to 40 people at nearly 200 miles an hour. Then short Seamews came over in formation. Now one of several newcomers to the show, the Avro CF-100, a two-seater, long-range, all-weather fighter designed and built in Canada. Range over 5 hours, ceiling over 45,000 feet. Then, out of the clouds, a symbol for the future, no doubt, the Comet 3. This aircraft will not go into production, but will be superseded by a logical development, the Comet 4. The Bristol Britannia is an airliner designed to carry 42 passengers over Commonwealth routes. That's a Hawker Hunter jet fighter. And while on the subject of jets, we make a diversion to Chalgrove Airfield and a Meteor with a Martin Baker ejection seat. Squadron leader John Fifield is about to make the first live experiment at ground level. Out and up. The seat falls away, the parachute opens, and a safe landing is made. Certainly a remarkable invention tried out by a fearless airman. Back to Farnborough now, where hunters in formation round off this story of British aircraft. An outstanding compliment to the Hunter, by the way, is the fact that export orders already total £121 million.